Hey folks, so the chances are you've got node 1, the boot node, up and running. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get node 2 and node 3 up and running as well. So the first thing we want to do is let's open up a new terminal here. And let's go ahead and run Besu. And again, the all-important data path. Let's go node 2, data directory. And then we want to provide the Genesis file, just as we've done in the past, equals p, like so. Now, the key step here is we've got two more flags to provide for node 2. And the first one is the boot node. We've got to tell node 2 what the boot node is, which is node number 1. So let's go boot node. And this is going to be a unique identifier. Now, there are a couple of ways to get the boot node, but the most easiest way is to go back to node number 1, hit Control C to stop this, restart it, and you'll see the enode URL appear very quickly up above. There it goes there. What I want to do is hit Control C just to stop this, scroll up a bit, and let's copy this out. So this is the enode, which stands for an Ethereum node, and it's the unique identifier for this node, running at port 30303. So now that I've got this copied, I can get node 1 back up and running, and I'm going to do a paste. So my boot node is equal to this unique identifier, which is actually just the Ethereum public key. Then I go space, and the last flag I want to provide is P2P port, which is going to tell everyone that this node is going to be listening on port 30304, not 3, because that's already taken by the boot node, node number 1. So with this in play, let's go ahead and hit enter. Fingers crossed that this will work. And there we go. Node number 2 is up and running, trying to sync, waiting for peers. Let's check out what block number we're at. You can see we're at block number 84 already. So now all of a sudden, this is node number 2 is synchronized to block number 151. And if we look at node number 1 and compare the block numbers, they match. So we've got node number 1 and 2 synchronized. Let's very quickly do the same for node number 3. Now what I'm going to do here is, instead of typing out the command, I want to copy this out. So let me stop by Control C, node number 2, hit up arrow, and I'm going to copy this entire command string here. Let's go copy. I'm going to hit enter to get node 2 back up and running, and then I'm just going to paste this into our node number 3 terminal. I do want to make a few minor adjustments. First of all, my port, it has to be 30305 because I don't want a port conflict. And if I go right back to the beginning, the data path should not be node number 2, but node number 3. Now, if I hit enter here, hopefully, fingers crossed, this should spin up. There we go. And it's trying to connect. It's found a common ancestor pair at block 0, which is great. We're at block number 173 here, and automatically, you can see it has synchronized. So we have our 3 nodes up and running in our private Hyperledger Besu network.